Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name in Veed. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then you can see account setting option. Click on account setting, then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. In the name section you can see this edit button. Click on that edit button. From here you can edit or change your name. Once you have changed your name or edited your name, you can click to save. Then your new name will be changed. This is how you can change your name in Veed.io. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.